Hey friends, today I'm going to share some ideas on how you can make your family room more functional and inviting. A well-designed family room is about comfort and making everyone feel at home, whether it's for movie nights, games, or just relaxation. So let's dive in and see how you can make this space as practical and inviting as possible. Starting with durable furniture. I have set up a separate area for my kids' toys and games because I really want to avoid last-minute clutter cleanups when guests drop by. But somehow they always end up snacking and playing in the family room. So being a high traffic area, family room needs furniture that can handle busy life while still feeling warm and stylish. For bed frames, go for hardwoods like maple and oak. They are incredibly sturdy and last for years. When it comes to upholstery, look for materials like polyester blends, faux leather or cotton. These fabrics are budget friendly, easy to clean and resistant to stains and scratches. If you want to extend the life of your furniture and switch things up easily, slip-covered sofas are a really good choice. You can wash the covers in the washing machine and even change the covers time to time for a fresh new look. You guys, family room serves multiple purposes, and that is where multifunctional furniture comes in. This type of furniture is perfect because it helps you save space, stay organized, and serves multiple purposes. And the best part is that you don't have to compromise on comfort and practicality. An ottoman with hidden storage is perfect for storing extra blankets, toys, and books. A coffee table with a lift top or drawers can double up as a workspace, or even as a storage unit where you can stack your board games or remotes. If you often host overnight guests, a sofa with a pull-out bed is a very smart choice because it's both practical and saves you a lot of space. Creating specific zones in the family room will help you keep it organized and makes sure that everyone can enjoy their activities there. Start by thinking your family's needs. You might want a comfortable seating area with a sofa and armchairs for watching TV or maybe to have conversations. A play area with soft mats and bins for toys and a small table would be great for kids. If you have a reader in the family, a cozy nook with a chair, a lamp, and a small bookshelf can be a very personalized spot for reading and having a good time. Or if you are the one with school-age kids, maybe adding a small desk for homework can keep them busy and also staying close to the family. Flooring is often overlooked, but a high-traffic area like this, it is an important design element. We want to have a floor which is safe, durable, and easy to maintain. Laminate flooring is a great option because it's affordable, durable, and comes in a variety of finishes. It's a great hack to mimic wood or tile. Hardwood floors with a matte finish are also a fantastic choice. They are timeless, scratch resistant, and easy to clean. If you want a softer feel underfoot, consider layering a thick washable area rug over your flooring. Area rug also helps absorb noise and it keeps your room warm and protects your floor from spills and scratches. For a kid and pet friendly options, look for materials like polypropylene or wool as they are durable and easy to clean. You guys, family room has to be open and welcoming with enough space for everyone to move freely. Too much furniture or even decor can make it feel cramped or unwelcoming. To maintain open space, what you can do is just keep the essentials. A comfortable sofa, a coffee table, or maybe an accent chair are good enough to anchor the space, which would leave plenty of space in the middle. And you guys, avoid overloading the room with extra side tables or decorations. When I'm selecting furniture for the family room, I prefer round edges, especially if you have young kids. Sharp corners on tables or furniture can be a bit risky, while round edges are softer and safer. Like, you can choose a round coffee table instead of choosing a rectangular or square. Look for sofas with curved armrests or ottomans with an oval shape. And if you are planning on adding shelves, look for the ones with round corners instead of the sharp ones. And if that's not a design choice, then maybe hang the shelves higher out of children's reach. Seating is what makes a family room truly inviting. Make sure there's enough spot for everyone to relax comfortably regardless of their preferences. Start with a sectional sofa that will accommodate multiple people. For kids, beanbags and floor cushions are a fun and flexible seating options. They can be easily moved around as needed. Recliners or accent chairs are perfect for adults who want to kick back and relax. Plants are an easy and affordable way to make your family room feel alive and inviting. For low maintenance options, you can go for succulents, pothos, or snake plants. They are tough and look good in any corner. And if you're not up for maintenance, you can always opt for faux plants. Natural light has a way of making any space feel brighter, happier, and more open. If your room has large windows, arrange your your seating in a way so that you can take advantage of the light. Use sheer light curtains instead of heavy drapes so that more sunlight can come in. And if you don't have large windows, you can opt for mirrors. They can be a great alternative. They reflect light and makes the space feel more brighter and spacious. You guys, I feel like adding family memories always helps. You can frame photos from vacations, family game nights, or other special moments. You can also add artwork your kids have made. These simple touches will add charm to your room but also will tell a story of your family. These were some of my secrets when I'm designing family rooms. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.